Well, that was a bit of a disaster. We've broken the outer parts of my new winch bar. I lost my mirror, a rear light dome, I suppose you'd call it. My front bumper's already busted. At our last comp, Harry, a friend of mine, had a JLU there. And I thought, hey, I've got a use for my JLU. He suggested this as a good class 1 machine. It's got wipers, mirrors, lights front and rear, interior, driver, and we can mount a few other things if we want to. There's a rear license plate. We just need to stick one on the front. We've got portals, straight rear links, which is important because you can't be Lego with bent ones. And so I thought, even though I haven't put any brass on it, this is a completely stock kit. I thought I might stick my heavy 250-gram wheels on it just as a test run. And then we're going to run these two together. -19 versus whatever this gets, probably -7 on the handicap list, which you add to your end score for the lowest possible score. So does all the fruit on the Gelande II make up for its lower capability on the rock? I rather suspect it won't, and I'm kind of interested to see how the JLU does. So without further ado, let's get these two on the rocks and then we'll tally the scores and have a chat. Let's go. Reverse. Good. Reverse. 2 reverses so far. Bonus. Reverse. That's 3 reverses. Three reverses and finish in 3 minutes and 1 second. Gosh, it's close to rolling. That's really gnarly. Recovery. Recover back to the previous gate. Reverse. That's 7 reverses. 8 reverses, gate touch, 9 reverses, 10 reverses, this is going to be DNF at this rate. 11 reverses, 12 reverses, come on, there we go. Thirteen reverses, 14 reverses, gate touch, 5 minutes, DNF. Well, that was a bit of a disaster. We've broken the outer parts of my new winch bar. This is a working winch now too. I lost my mirror. I lost a rear light dome, I suppose you'd call it. My front bumper's already busted. And most importantly, we got a DNF. We DNF'd out on time just on gate 5. Couldn't get past gate 4, which is admittedly gnarly, and that's my fault for setting a course that was too rough. But on balance of that, the JLU did really well. It not only finished, but it finished with no gate touches. That makes the JLU an easy choice. So that first course that we did with gate 4 over there, I think it was a bit unfair to the poor old Gelande II. Let's set a second course just to give us a bit more comparison between the two cars. At this point, having watched the first run of the first course, we already can see that the JLU vastly outclasses that Gelande. But what about with scale points coming off the end score? If both can finish the course, if they can. Let's set a second course and have a look at that. Time on. Reverse. Yeah. Sketchy. Reverse. Goodness me. I don't really want to take this car on this course, I must admit. Poor old Gelande. Alright, in the interest of this video, we'll keep going. So we've had a reverse. Gosh, it's sketchy. Come on. There we go. That wasn't supposed to be such a tough start. Reverse, that's 2 reverses. And I need to count that touch where I caught it from rolling too, so a touch and 2 reverses so far. 3 reverses, 4 reverses. Thankfully the axles are good because of the BRX 70s. They will definitely hold on. Poor car. Oh. Sorry, we're going to do a roll over. I just don't want to roll it on the ground. I'm going to scratch it. That's roughly where it would end up. Bear with me on this one. I'm not going to use this car in comps, so I don't want to hurt it anymore. So we've had a touch, a rollover, and 4 reverses. There we go. Gate 1. Oh, the drama. Gate 2. Still on a touch of rollover and 4 reverses. Being ever so careful. Oop, 5 reverses. There we are. In 2 minutes 57, that was 3 reverses and a bonus. Nice. Poor old car. I think we'll get up this. We might need a reverse though. 6 reverses. Seven reverses. Eight reverses. Ah, there we go. Did it with 8 reverses so far. Come on, little Gelande, what are we on? 4 minutes, we've got a minute left. While they bust the rest of the body. So 8 reverses, a gate touch, and a vehicle touch. We're still in it, but it's going to be tight. And bonus, I don't think so. It makes a good this thing makes a strong case to be a shelf queen or just a very gentle trailing machine. I'm going to skip that bonus entirely. Well, that didn't sound good. Oh, the scratches. It's right on the body too. Ah, yuck. And I don't know if there's much point because we're... Oh, there's time. Well, 6 gates. That was painful, wasn't it? Gate touch, vehicle touch, 8 reverses, and progress to 6. Now, if we can get a few more scale points on the handicap list by adding some tools and maybe engine sound, whatever else, because I've got an engine sound here in the Gelande. Maybe a spare wheel as well, some recovery tools. We might be starting to get into the -40s and above for a good drive. And I've got to tell you, that was easy to do a good drive with the JLU. Easier, I would think, than my TRX4 even. So I'm pretty happy with that. The only contender for the Class 1, but we've got the Nationals coming in like less than 2 months now. So I'm going hammer and tong here trying to get everything done. I know for a fact I'm not bringing the Gelande II. I probably will bring the JLU. We'll do a few more tweaks and then I'll get back to you. We might even try it on the 6 problem course. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you again real soon. And I can't wait to do more because we're getting closer and closer on our road to Nationals. Thanks for joining me for it. I'll catch you next time.